Logo in center of screen reads First Coast Technical College, your future comes first. Video in background shows FCTC sign and students in various settings including culinary arts, welding, automotive, healthcare, horticulture, and early childhood education. The text on the screen changes and reads First Coast Technical College Virtual Tour for FSDB students.
Welcome to First Coast Technical College. We are one of 48 career and technical education centers in the state of Florida. We focus on high-demand, high-wage jobs as well as workforce training and hands-on education. Come on, let's go take a tour.
Automotive and diesel service, analyze, diagnose, repair.
Welcome to the Automotive program. Dual enrollment students will spend about 50% of their time in a classroom setting, and the other 50% students will spend in a laboratory setting just like this. Students are learning how to maintain, diagnose, and fix foreign, domestic, and alternative fuel vehicles.
Culinary Arts, cooking with chefs in a restaurant environment, food chemistry.
Culinary Arts is open for students as a dual enrollment or secondary elective option. This practical class teaches students cooking methods, knife techniques, nutrition, safety, operational skills, and more. Are you a creative student who likes to eat? This course may be the right fit for you.
Cosmetology, makeup and salon, hair and skin, manicure and pedicure.
Another option at FCTC is cosmetology. Cosmetology encompasses nails, facials, as well as hair, which is one of the biggest components that you will get to work on in our full-service salon and spa. Here you'll learn how to do makeup applications, skincare, as well as hair removal. We also offer nail specialty. Nail specialty is learning the ins and outs of manicures and pedicures, acrylic nails, and nail art. Bring out your creative side in this awesome program.
Horticulture, nursery, landscape and turf management, agri-science.
In the horticulture programs, you can learn about landscape and turf management or nursery management. Landscape and turf management teaches you how to care for landscaping and designs, as well as athletic fields and professional golf courses. You'll gain experience growing and maintaining sustainable landscapes. Students also really enjoy the aspect of working with power equipment, everything from weed eaters and lawnmowers to tractors and bobcats. Students really enjoy getting their hands dirty and learning how to fix that power equipment as well. In the nursery management program, students will work with experts in the field of agri-science to propagate, manage, and create a wide variety of plants. Apply creative design elements and gain extensive knowledge of plants while managing a full-service greenhouse. Students appreciate our advanced techniques and equipment used to grow and maintain plants. If you love the outdoors and like getting dirty, consider First Coast Technical College's agri-science programs.
Early childhood education, curriculum, child development, room care.
In early childhood education, our students are spending about 50% of their time in a classroom and 50% of their time here working in tech tots, gaining hands-on experience to make sure that they are prepared to help students ages 2 to 5 years old.
Welding, fabrication, industrial and artistic, and repair.
Welcome to Welding. Our students in dual enrollment are spending about 90% of their time doing hands-on training, working with metal and electricity. Students are learning how to join, bend, and cut different styles of welding and metal to help with infrastructure.
HVAC, installation, air and heating diagnostics, and repair.
As early as 9th grade, students can come to FCTC to learn more about heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. Come see us to learn more about how your future can come first at FCTC.
Healthcare, medical assistant, dental assistant, and phlebotomy.
Does the healthcare field interest you? If so, 12th graders can learn more about dental assisting by participating in dual enrollment at First Coast Technical College. Come see what we have to offer. Continuing on with the healthcare field, First Coast Technical College offers medical assisting training for 11th and 12th grade students.
Here's what your classmates are saying about FCTC.
The goal is for all of us to get a job. Students who decide to come over to FCTC can take class and learn about different trades like auto mechanics. Taking courses here will really help us in the future. We have to learn new things and remember a lot of information. Some of it is complicated and challenging, but our teachers come alongside of us and support us when we need it. If you're interested in taking courses at FCTC, come on. It will really help you get ready for your future.
This school has been very amazing with helping me accomplish my goals here, and at the end of the year probably getting my license. They have made me fit in, even though despite I'm a little different than everybody else. And even though this course is extremely visual, my teacher has helped me do things even though for me it's going to be a little harder, and coming here has actually strengthened the ability to show me that I can actually accomplish what I really want to do, and that is cosmetology.
Come on out to FCTC. It will be beneficial because you can learn more about plants and the business side of horticulture. The teachers help us learn. By the time you graduate and the semester ends, you can really learn a lot. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. I wanted to come over to FCTC because some students told me about it. I wanted to check it out for myself, so I came over for a visit, saw the different programs, and I thought the horticulture class looked interesting. I really like working with the ground, the plants, well, really everything. If you come to FCTC, you will learn about all the equipment we use, like mowers, the bobcat, and tractors. You will learn so much so quickly. You'll be able to use what you learn for a future job. If we aren't quite sure how to do something or the equipment isn't working, other students are there to help. I love this program at FCTC. It's one of my favorite places. It has been good for me. I've made a lot of friends, and they really help me understand what's going on and share so much with me. You get so much experience here and learn about cars, engines, transmissions, and so much more. I wanted to be a mechanic, so when I was a senior, I started taking courses at FCTC. I was motivated and excited to learn as much as I could. I've been here for almost 2.5 years, and I've gotten a lot of experience and certificates in suspensions and brakes. After doing that for a year, I got a job at Bozard Ford. I've really been excited and motivated to work there. I've loved learning how much to be a mechanic and working towards my goals.
I have learned a lot about cleaning and working in the classroom. We play games, do crafts, make beds, and the children take naps. I really enjoy being here. It's so interesting. I can be successful because I have a plan for my future, and I'm proud of who I am. You can come to FCTC and go to college and see your future too.
Thank you so much for visiting our school and learning more about our programs. We have a lot going on, but it's all with your future in mind.
Mandy Nolte, FSDB Academic Coordinator. First Coast Technical College and FSDB are providing options to help you build your future with the skills you need to prepare for a career beyond high school. Through our partnership, you will move forward in your chosen career path. As you learn to do more, be more, and achieve more.
Hi, I'm Angie McCutcheon. I am the off-campus academic coordinator for the Blind High School. Franklin D. Roosevelt once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Let us help you start dreaming today. For more information or to apply for FCTC, contact Mandy Nolte in the Deaf High School or Angie McCutcheon in the Blind High School. We are looking forward to working with you.
FCTC logo appears and reads, "Your future comes first." FSDB logo appears and reads, "Do more, be more, achieve more."